In this video, I'm just going to show you how 62-60 and 62-61 should be formatted. And so just like with the lesson 61 proofreader's marks, you will be taking a look at the proofreader's marks made here and then making those corrections. And so you can look in R-14. And if you scroll down in the e-text, you should see those proofreader's marks along with what each of those mean, and make your corrections accordingly. And so your final memo should look like this. Remember, because it's a memo, we always start 5 enters from the top. Notice my tabs here. Everything is aligned to the first one. So memo 2, press tab, and then you type in the person's name and title. You'll also do your from, date, subject. Notice that they are all in caps. The colons are also bolded. And you should have your own initials in lowercase here. Any copy notation, such as a C colon, is going to go right below the attachment. Okay, and so this is what your 62-60 should look like. As for your 62-61, here we're just pretending that maybe somebody hand wrote this memo and we need to type it out for them. So just because it's in cursive here, that doesn't mean you're going to use a cursive font. When you type it out and you're going to use the proper memo format, it's going to look like this. So we're not changing any fonts, we're using the default font. And again, our memo headings are formatted the same. Everything is neatly aligned here. There's no extra spaces or enters, and you should have your own reference initials where it had URS in the e-text. Okay, and again, make sure that you do study the formatting for memos in R-4D. So if I pull that up, and I'll just do R-4, you can access this either in the GDP website itself or in the e-text. Okay, and so everything is formatted here, and you can follow along with this. As for this attachment notation, note that not all memos will have an attachment, so you would only write the word attachment if it said so in your assignment instructions. So you'll notice that for 62-60, there was an attachment in the e-text, and so we wrote that out. And here's that word attachment, but because in 62-61, there wasn't an attachment notation, so we're not doing that here either. Okay, and as usual, make sure that you proofread your work before submitting for the highest possible score.